Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Explore cutting-edge agricultural machines that boost farm productivity. Stay with us for the best in farming technology. The EKT 100 drum milling machine is a powerful agricultural tool designed for efficient milling of grains. It features a robust drum mechanism that ensures consistent and high-quality output. The machine is ideal for both small and medium-scale operations, providing a smooth and precise milling process. It's widely used in farming for processing various grains like wheat and maize. The Vermeer PD-10R is a reliable and efficient agricultural drilling machine, designed for precise planting and soil preparation. Its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics ensure smooth operation. Ideal for planting crops in various soil conditions, it helps improve productivity and reduces labor costs, making it essential for modern farming. The Mastenbroek 2015 is a high-performance land leveling machine used in agriculture. It efficiently levels and prepares the soil for planting. With its adjustable blades, it ensures uniform distribution of soil, improving crop yield. Ideal for large-scale farming, this machine enhances soil quality and overall productivity. The Komatsu Continuous Miner is a heavy-duty machine used in mining and agricultural operations. It is designed to cut and transport materials, such as soil and rocks, continuously. With its advanced technology, it offers efficient digging, reducing manual labor and improving productivity in various excavation tasks. The GU70 Special is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation. It is widely used for plowing, tilling, and preparing the land for planting. With its durable construction and powerful performance, it ensures high-quality soil preparation, improving crop yield and overall farming productivity. The Gecko JF235 is a compact and powerful agricultural machine designed for efficient lifting and handling of materials. It features a hydraulic system that allows for precise control, making it ideal for tasks such as loading, unloading, and transporting goods. Its versatility enhances productivity in various farming operations. The Mastodon M60 Forestry Mulcher is a heavy-duty machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management. It efficiently mulches trees, shrubs, and brush, turning them into fine debris. Ideal for forestry and agricultural land preparation, it helps improve soil quality and enhances productivity by clearing large areas quickly and effectively. The 995 FDM Lugong is a versatile wheel loader used in agriculture and construction. It features a powerful engine and advanced hydraulics for efficient material handling. Designed for heavy lifting, it excels in tasks such as loading, hauling, and digging, improving productivity and reducing labor in large-scale farming operations. The XC9350 is a powerful wheel loader designed for agricultural and industrial use. It features a high-capacity bucket and efficient hydraulic system, making it ideal for material handling, loading, and transporting. Its robust design ensures durability and high performance, boosting productivity in large-scale farming and construction operations. The Bakhese 38 is a high-performance compost turner used in agriculture for efficient organic waste management. It aerates and mixes compost piles, accelerating decomposition. Its powerful engine and advanced technology ensure consistent and uniform turning, improving compost quality and promoting sustainable farming practices by reducing waste and enhancing soil health. The SMH CSU bucket elevator is an essential machine in agriculture for vertical material handling. It efficiently lifts grains, seeds, and other bulk materials to higher levels. With its durable construction and reliable operation, it helps streamline the transportation process, improving efficiency in storage and processing facilities. The Komatsu PC-1250 is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator used in agriculture for large-scale earth-moving and excavation tasks. With its powerful engine and robust hydraulic system, it efficiently digs, lifts, and transports materials. This machine is ideal for land preparation, leveling, and other heavy operations in farming and construction. The CAT 336 is a versatile hydraulic excavator commonly used in agriculture for digging, grading, and lifting tasks. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, it delivers excellent performance in tough soil conditions. Ideal for large-scale land preparation, the CAT 336 enhances productivity and efficiency in farming operations. The Super 2000 is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for efficient land cultivation. It is equipped with advanced features for tilling, plowing, and preparing soil for planting. With its powerful engine and durable construction, the Super 2000 enhances productivity, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The Holzel XXL is a powerful forestry mulcher used in agriculture and land management. It efficiently clears large areas of dense vegetation, turning trees, shrubs, and branches into mulch. With its robust design and high-performance capabilities, the Holzel XXL helps improve soil quality and prepares land for farming or construction projects. The Big Float E15 is a high-capacity agricultural float designed for soil tilling and land leveling. Its wide and sturdy design helps distribute weight evenly, preventing soil compaction. Ideal for large-scale farming, it enhances soil preparation by efficiently breaking up clods and ensuring smooth, even ground for planting. The Easy Gripper is an innovative agricultural handling tool designed for efficient gripping and lifting of crops, plants, and materials. With its adjustable clamps and sturdy construction, it ensures secure handling. Ideal for tasks like loading and unloading, it improves productivity and reduces manual labor in farming operations. The Liebherr 140 Malawian Quachas is a mobile crane used in agriculture for heavy lifting and material handling. It combines the flexibility of a mobile crane with the precision of a tower crane. Ideal for lifting heavy equipment and materials, it enhances efficiency and safety in large-scale farming and construction projects. Victoria is a high-performance tiller used in agriculture for soil preparation. Its robust engine and adjustable blades allow for efficient tilling, plowing, and aerating of the soil. Ideal for small to medium-scale farming, it helps improve soil quality and promotes better crop growth by ensuring proper seedbed preparation. The TP470 Vario AB is a versatile agricultural machine designed for both farming and forestry tasks. It features a powerful engine and adjustable settings for different terrains. Ideal for mowing, hauling, and light construction work, it offers excellent maneuverability and productivity in various agricultural applications, even in challenging environments. The Mensimuk M545 is a highly versatile, all-terrain wheeled excavator used in agriculture and forestry. Its unique design allows it to operate on steep slopes and rough terrains. With its powerful hydraulics, it is ideal for tasks such as digging, grading, and land clearing, ensuring high productivity in challenging conditions. The 250 SM Vario Quarry Harvester is a powerful and efficient machine used for harvesting in quarries and rough agricultural terrain. Its advanced design allows it to cut and collect material with precision. Equipped with high-performance hydraulics, it ensures high productivity while handling tough environments in quarry and farming operations. The CAT Model 320D is a reliable hydraulic excavator used in agriculture for tasks like digging, trenching, and land clearing. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, it delivers excellent performance in tough soil conditions. Ideal for large-scale farming, it enhances efficiency and productivity in various agricultural operations. The QTS Forwarder is a robust forestry and agricultural machine designed for transporting logs and materials across rough terrain. With its powerful engine and durable design, it efficiently moves heavy loads, improving productivity in forestry operations and land management tasks. The Max Wild Specialists is a versatile agricultural machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management. It efficiently mulches trees, shrubs, and brush, turning them into fine material. Ideal for forestry and farming, it helps improve soil quality and prepares land for planting or construction projects, enhancing productivity. The Lasso is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and land preparation. It is equipped with durable components that allow for deep tilling and mixing of soil. Ideal for large-scale farming, it improves soil aeration and promotes better seedbed preparation, ensuring optimal crop growth. The C295 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and cultivation. Its powerful engine and durable components allow for deep tilling, mixing, and aerating the soil. Ideal for large-scale farming, it helps improve soil structure and promotes optimal seedbed preparation for better crop yields. The Wilhelm Porsenensen is a robust agricultural machine designed for soil cultivation and land preparation. It is known for its efficiency in plowing and tilling large fields. With advanced technology and durable components, it ensures optimal soil aeration, improving seedbed preparation and supporting better crop growth and higher yields. The CAT M323F two-way excavator is a versatile machine used in agriculture for efficient material handling, digging, and grading. Its unique two-way capability allows for operation in both forward and reverse directions, improving maneuverability. Ideal for land preparation, it enhances productivity with its powerful hydraulics and durable design. The SIFA K47H is a versatile concrete pump used in agriculture for irrigation system installations and other farming infrastructure projects. With its high reach and precise control, it efficiently delivers concrete to hard-to-reach areas. Its powerful hydraulics and durable design ensure optimal performance in challenging environments.